Hi guys, Jordan from ANNEX Overland here. So this week and especially today, the weather's great. Spring is finally showing up a bit and that's totally awesome. But I'm a little bit busy these days and I don't have a lot of time to go out there, except tonight. So I'm gonna totally enjoy it, go outside, make a small camp, cook and even sleep out there. I will also take the opportunity to finally test the annex of my rooftop tent. We're gonna head up to the camp spot. See you there, guys. This is the camp spot for tonight. It's in the middle of the forest, it's really quiet and there is absolutely nobody here, so I think it's gonna be pretty cool. No time to waste, I'm gonna set up the camp right now. In order to put the annex on, I need to remove the cover, because it slides up at the same place. And now let's try the annex, see how it goes. Let's go. There it is, I've never used it. This is the first time. Let's see what's in there. That's the side I'm gonna slide in place of the cover. So I need to turn it 90 degrees. And then I just gonna zip it. Don't forget to put the ladder in the annex. Oh guys, this is awesome. This is huge. You got a ton of space. Wow, I'm impressed, really. This is awesome. Follow me, I'm gonna give you a quick walk around and show you every features of it. First of all, you have a zip all the way around the canvas. When I put it first, I was like, oh no, the zip is already fucked up. But it's actually a clever system. The pole goes through the tent, but also through the annex, and they unstitch the zip just to fit the pole. This is awesome. You got a window on each side with back cover, but you can't unzip the back cover. Let's get inside. You've got the main entrance, and this is absolutely huge. The floor is like the cover of the rooftop tent. It's really thick and you can unzip it. And you've got another door, a back door, so you can have access to your car. But I'm not sure if my door is really behind it. Let's find out. And okay, not bad. Yeah, I can fully open the door. So I'm really impressed with the annex. You got a ton of room. You can keep yourself and gear away from moisture. I still got an hour or an hour and a half before the sunset. So I'm gonna finish to set up the camp and maybe start some nice cooking. So we got something nice: zucchini, mushrooms, a little bit of salad, and quinoa. Got some hot sauce, really important. Let's go! Perfect. Okay, so it gets really dark right now. I'm gonna put everything in the annex and go in the rooftop tent. I see you up there. So tonight I'm all alone, so sleeping level is pretty simple. Just a pillow and a sleeping bag. However, when I'm with my girlfriend or for long-term trips, we really prefer a real duvet just like home. Usually I have a bag inside the rooftop tent to keep my dirty shoes in it, but here I can just leave them in the annex. For light, I've got this, but I would like to put a strip of LEDs that will stay inside the tent. Good night, guys. Good morning, guys. So I just spent a really nice night in the rooftop tent. It was really quiet. Right now I'm starving, so I'm gonna make a nice breakfast and start to pack up. Let's go. This is the end of my little journey. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I've done this video to really inspire you to spend time outside and to show you that you do not need to go to the other side of the country to find nice places and have a good time. And this is the same for gear. You can do it all with very little. As soon as you have some spare time, go outside. It's the best therapy ever. Alright guys, if you like this video, if you like to camp or spend time outside, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. You can even share the video and check my Instagram account. There are beautiful pictures. So thanks again for watching, guys, and see you next week.